if you don't want to show the salary of your management by accident to all the employees, watch this video to the end. But first things first, if you want to get the 13 hours PowerPoint Masterclass for the lowest available price, check out the link in the description. And now let's go. It's very common and smart if you present some data or big data to your audience that you copy that directly from your Excel. And I have prepared here some data. I just copy that and use the right mouse click and say embed. And what did I do? I have more or less the complete Excel functionalities inside my PowerPoint, because if I double click here, it jumps a few times. This is standard. I have everything in here, all my data. I can open this window that I see all the columns and rows I want. This was too much in this direction. It jumps always a row, and it jumps here always a line. And you see up to Richard, everything is here. And I can do some change of data. I can work with formulas in here, whatever I like. But now be careful. You have everything of this Excel sheet inside the PowerPoint. That means you see here table 1, table 2, table 1. And if I move to the right, in this sheet, I have the salary of the management listed, and everyone who receives the PowerPoint with this embedded Excel sheet have everything inside what's in the Excel sheet. So be very careful with that.